Okay, this is the new Black Stealth disposable handcuff with key. So what's so special about this one is we made it the height just nice to fit our disposable handcuff pouch lah. So the height is just flush on top, slightly shorter than the usual. So you can just put it neater inside the utility pouch lah. Then this thing sticking out as usual. This is a black color one. This is a yellow one. I use this one so easier for you to see this stupid thing. So what's so special about it, it has the keyhole. So the key, when you pull, you arrest that fella, you can unlock it with a key. So last time the $8 one, you arrest that fella, you hand them off. Very chore, $8, $8, all gone. So now got key, you can unlock. Accidentally pull also, you can unlock the thing. So they have a steel ring down here to prevent it from breaking. So it's a reinforcement. So the usual one don't have this. There's a high chance of it breaking. So with this, you can tahan up to 100 kilo brake. The brake strength is 100 kilo. Well, every set you buy, you'll come with 1 kilo. So this one is haven't unlocked, so I unlock this one like this. You put it in properly. You can see it just turns like 45 degrees. Then you can pull to unlock. And you can reuse again. Of course, one fine day when the thing wear out, just change a new one. It's only like $8 only.